What's that?
You're the only person that answers the phone. Like,
Yeah.
Works for the company. Is it your company?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. I have my own good business too. Like the call centers. That's all. Listen, get call centers. The call centers.
Yeah, I don't do that.
Ridiculous.
It's just me.
Ridiculous.
All right, brother. I'm gonna grab some tools, okay?
Hold on, thank you. Yeah, quick to everybody else within like 30 minutes, 45 minutes at least.
Yeah, I live right here.
Yeah.
All right, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Pretty sure. It's just gonna be 60 today, sir. Thank you, brother. Well, thanks for the tip, brother. Be careful, okay?